Assalamu alaikum, me, Dr. Ahmed Mushtaq, creator of Halima Foundation, Kashmir. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. That counts, my dear. Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. With good people. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. You are halfway there. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. To try. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. It is possible. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Than failure ever will. Your attitude determines your direction. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Push yourself. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Education is the passport to the future for tomorrow. Belongs to those who prepare for it today. It today. Every great achiever was once a dreamer. Was once a dreamer. Work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. To be great, my dear. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. Why you started. The future depends on what you do today. What you do today. Be a warrior, not a warrior. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. And achievement. Your only limit is your mind. Learn from yesterday. Live for today. Hope for tomorrow.